on today's class. All situated, and today is the last day of our review. All right, on Monday, we start to learn something brand new. So let's start off by going over the quiz you took based on yesterday's review class. I was very, very happy with the results. This is the best you guys have done on a quiz so far. Amazing. You guys did really, really well. I was very happy with it. Let's see who we have from this class. I see Susie, number 1 out of both classes. Good job, Susie. All right, let's see who else we have. We have Alex. Great job, Alex. Not sure who this one is, but good job. All right, another Susie. Very good. We have Robert. Excellent job, Robert. So there are quite a few people. Here's Nick, Pony, good. We're missing quite a few people from this class. Okay, the other class had more people do it. All right, so after class today, before you start today's homework, you can take the quiz, or if you already took it, you can take it again, okay? So if you want the extra practice, and if you didn't do it yet, take it after class today. I do send these results. I send your answers and how you did to your TAs, okay, and to Miss Han. So make sure you try your best and please take it if you have not taken it yet. Before that, let's go over it together as a class. Everyone be ready to answer. I can call on any of you for any questions, so be ready, okay? Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Question number 1. What does shelter mean? Riku.
A place where animals and plants live, a place where an animal can be safe. Number 2.
Number 2, okay. Good job, Riku. Excellent work. All right, next question. Number 2, all of the living things and non-living things around you make up your, Thomas.
Environment.
Very good. Environment. Excellent work, Thomas. Going on to question number 3. Pony, a cold place where animals have thick fur to stay warm.
Tundra.
Very good, the tundra. It's so cold there. They need really thick fur. What adaptation helps a raccoon climb trees? Alex.
Sharp claws.
Very nice, sharp claws so it can get in there, climb up the tree. Number 5, what does adaptation mean? Potato, what does adaptation mean?
The part or behavior that help an animal survive.
Very good. Can you say behavior?
Number 3.
Can you say behavior?
Behavior.
Very good. Excellent work, Potato. All right. Why does the leopard live in the rainforest environment? Pirates?
All of the above.
All of the above. It has the animals. It has the animals for it to eat, the shelter for it to hide, and the right weather and temperature. It has all of them. Great job, Pirates. this picture, why does a cactus live in the desert? Let's see. John, why does the cactus live in the desert?
Cactus need dry environment.
Very good, John. It needs a dry environment. Water that has land all around it is a, Ben?
Is a lake.
A lake. Very good. Remember, the ocean could have oceans on other sides, or a sea, or a bay. What adaptation do fish need to live in the water? Jack?
Gills.
Excellent job. What are gills for, Jack?
Gills so they can breathe under the water.
Very good. Great work. Excellent answer. 10. A blank is a dry place with a lot of grass. Jeffrey.
Grassland.
Very nice. Good job, Jeffrey. All right. Why do many plants live in the top layer of the ocean? Lily.
I think it is to get the sunlight they need.
Very good. To get the sunlight they need, you're right. They need sunlight to grow. They can't live at the bottom of the ocean. What does habitat mean? Lion, what does habitat mean?
Number 3.
Number 3, habitat means nothing lives here?
No, I'm not sure.
That's okay. How about Nick, Big Splash?
The place where plants or animals get the food, water, and shelter it needs to live.
Very good, Nick. Thank you. Or sorry, Big Splash. I've gotten used to calling you Nick. All right. What might happen if you released a desert hare into the rainforest environment? Robert?
It will probably die because it could not find the thing it needs to survive.
Very good. Excellent work, Robert. All done. All right. Great job, everybody. You did amazing. So remember, if you did not do your homework, after class, please go and take that quiz. It's good practice. And then I can see what you know as well, and so can your parents and your other teachers, okay? All right. Okay. Why do living things need food? Leo, why do living things need food?
They need food to survive.
Why? How does it help them survive? What does it give them?
It gives them energy.
All right, good job, Leo. They need energy. Let's see. Perry, could you read this for us, please?
All living things need food. Food gives them energy to survive.
Very good. Perry, what food gives you a lot of energy?
Rice.
Rice. Excellent answer. Rice, sugar. All right. Now let's talk about the order in which things eat other things. Rio, could you read this bottom box for me?
A food chain shows the order which living things get food in the habitat.
Very good. So that's the order the energy moves.
In stuff.
The order that energy moves. So let's take a look. Where does the energy start? Where does all of the energy come from? So I want to know, what is number 1? Susie.
The sun.
Very good. The energy starts with the sun. What's number 2, Susie?
And then the grass.
Why is the grass second?
Because the sun can give the grass energy.
Excellent job, Susie. The sun gives the grass energy so it can make its own food. All right, Tui An, what's number 3?
Hawk.
The hawk, what does the hawk eat?
The grass.
I don't think so. I think hawks are meat eaters. Which one eats plants, Tui An? I'll come back to you for the next one, Tui An, so think about it. All right, so let's see. Everyone, let's give everyone a chance. Everyone, circle the animal that you think is next in the food chain. Circle which one you think is number 3. Very good, yes. Oh, excellent work, everybody. So this one right here is number 3. Riku, why is the mouse number 3? Why?
Because mouse eat grass.
Yes, because the mouse eats grass. Let's see. Jeffrey, which one is number 4? Which one is number 4?
Number 4, ocean. Snake.
Very good. And which one's number 5?
Number 5. Number 5 is hawk.
Very good. The sun, the plants, animals that eat plants, and then finally the energy goes to animals that eat other animals. So, our final point, Potato, can you read the blue box at the top?
Yes. The source of all energy on Earth is the sun.
Very good. Can you say source?
Source.
Good. So the source, the start of all energy on Earth is the sun. Every living thing, every plant, every animal, every person, their energy started from the sun. Who remembers what the word change means? Raise your hand in your video if you remember what the word change means. Here's how it's spelt. Change. Who remembers this word? Nick?
It means different.
Different. Very good, Nick. So if something changes, the before and the after are different. John, do these 2 pictures look the same?
No.
No, there's a change. Can you read this question in blue at the top, John?
What happened to living things when a habitat change?
Good. Can you say changes?
Changes.
Very good. When we put an S on change, it becomes changes. So let's see. Pony, could you read that paragraph for me?
Yes, people, animals, plants, and weather can all harm in the living things in a habitat. They can cause the habitat to change.
Excellent job, Pony. Okay, so what causes a habitat to change? What did we just read? Leo, what causes a habitat to change? Look at the reading again if you need to. What makes a habitat change?
Nature.
Weather, very good. Anything else, Leo? Weather can make it look different. If there's a thunderstorm or a hurricane, what else can make it change, Leo?
A storm.
Storm, good. What about these three things right here?
It will change too.
Because
the pollution.
Very good. Excellent work, Leo. So people change habitats from pollution or cutting down trees. Weather like volcanoes and tornadoes can change a habitat or a storm. What are the other two things that can change a habitat? Lion?
House out.
Very good. So maybe building a house, so people. Leo said weather. What else can change a habitat, Lion? People, weather.
Trees.
Good.
Animals.
Very good. Animals and plants. Nice work, Lion. So, what can cause a habitat to change? People, by, like Leo said, pollution, cutting down trees. Weather, like a drought when it's really dry, or a flood when there's too much water. Animals, like when a beaver cuts down trees and builds a dam. He's changing the forest and the river. And plants, like weeds growing in your garden, can be bad. Okay. What happens to plants and animals when a habitat changes? So when people pollute and cut down trees, what happens to the plants and the animals? Here are the three things that can happen. Alex, can you read these three things for me?
Move, die, or adapt.
Good. Do you remember the word, Alex, for when all of one animal die?
Yes.
Go ahead, what is it?
When it's old, it will die.
So what if every single giraffe in the entire world died and there were none left? What would we say that the giraffe is? Remember, there's a word when all of one kind of animal die, when there are none left, like the dinosaurs. That's okay, this is a hard question. Good job, Alex, for the reading. Who remembers the word I'm looking for? Robert?
Extinct.
Very good, extinct. Everyone remember, extinct means there are no more left, like how the dinosaurs or the woolly mammoth, the saber-toothed tiger, they are all extinct. There are no more left. So if an animal has a small habitat and it gets changed or destroyed, they could go extinct. Like the white rhinoceros, just this last year, went extinct. There are now no more white rhinoceroses in the entire world. Okay. Remember, all animals need shelter. Why? Ben, why do all animals need shelter?
To keep them safe.
Good job, Ben, to keep them safe. Lily, could you read this for me?
Of the small model of an environment. An environment is made of living and non-living things.
Good. Can you say living?
Living.
Very good, Lily. Thank you. So terrariums are small. So if you have the tundra, a terrarium of the tundra would be small, but it needs to have living and non-living things. It's a small model of an environment. Jack, can your animals survive in a terrarium without their living?
No.
No. Can plants survive in a terrarium without the animals?
Yes.
Yes. Right. Plants just need sunlight, water, soil. They don't need food, right? So plants could, but could they spread their seeds on their own? Could they be pollinated by insects? No. On their own? No. So in the long run, over time, your plants will eventually need animals to help them grow. The dead animals and their poop provide nutrients. They put nutrients in the soil that the plants need to grow. So your plants could survive in the terrarium longer than the animals, but eventually I think the plants still need animals. Let's see. Perry, could you read this for me?
Terrarium shows how plants and animals need each other. They also show how non-living things use other living things and non-living things.
Very good, Perry. So terrariums show that plants and animals need each other to survive. All right, they also show how living things use other living things and non-living things. Great work. All right, let's practice by using some of our old matching. Remember, draw a nice line, okay? No scribbling and no drawing shapes. It's not nice to your classmates that are trying to learn, okay? So draw one nice line. Otherwise, we can't draw. We'll just have to read, and that's a lot more boring, okay? Is everybody ready to draw? Ready, set, draw. Good job, Riku, Robert. Pirates, nice. Rio, very good, Rio. Looking good, Pui An, very nice. Thomas, good. All right, you guys got them all right. Here we have grassland. This one's the rainforest, the regular forest, and the desert. How is the rainforest different from the forest? Thomas, how is the rainforest different from the forest?
The rainforest rains a lot, but the forest does not.
Very good. The rainforest rains a lot more. All right, let's go on to the next one. Same thing. Draw a line to the definition. Take your time to read it, okay? Read carefully. Go ahead and draw. Jack, please do not scribble, Jack. Actually, we've lost our privilege. We're not doing this one again. Thuy An, which one is habitat?
A place where an animal lives.
Very good. And which one is lake, Thuy An?
Fresh water with land and all around it.
Very nice. Thank you. Great reading. All right. Tom. Tom, which one is ocean?
A large deep body of saline water.
Of salt. Can you say salt?
Salt.
Good. A large body of salt water. Lake is fresh water. Good job, Tom. And Susie, which one is adaptation, Susie?
The adaptation is a body part of behavior that helps an animal survive.
Very good, Susie. All right, let's give the drawing another chance. In this case, how do the plants help the animal? Draw how the plant is helping the animal. Good job, Susie. Riku, good. Good job, Riku. The bunnies could probably go to 2 of them. All right, so you guys are right. The nest is shelter and a place to live, but it's also to hide. The woodpecker uses it for food, and the bunny is for shelter or to hide as well. Skip that one, it's the same thing. All right, are animals help plants? How do the animals help the plants? Pirate, how do the animals help the plants? Or how does the bird help this plant? What is the bird doing for this plant, Pirate?
Eat food.
Can you read it? Read how the bird is helping the plant.
Spread seeds.
Very good. The bird eats the fruit and it spreads seeds. The bee spreads pollen. And the spider, what does the spider do for the plant? Thuy An, do you remember what the spider does for the plant?
The spider makes a web.
Yeah, and how does that help the plant?
To plant stay.
How does it help the plant stay safe? What eats the plants that the spider kills for them?
The spider holds 2 trees.
Mm-hmm.
No,
What does the spider eat? Do you remember, Thuy An?
I'm not sure.
So spiders eat bugs. Spiders eat insects. So how does the spider eating the insects help the plant? What do the insects eat?
Insects eat the pollen.
Yeah, so the insects eat pollen, nectar, the plants, the flowers. Good job. So the insects eat the plants and the spider eats the insects. So the spider helps the plants stay safe. Let's see if you all remember. Go ahead and draw a line from the animal to how it helps the plant. Good job, Thomas. Nice. Thuy An, very good. Looking good, everybody. Excellent. Very good. The spider protects, the bee pollinates, and the bird spreads seeds. Here's a bee pollinating a flower, flying from one flower to another flower to eat nectar. Okay, so let's remember, animals get food, water, and shelter from their habitat. So the zebra gets water, grass for shelter. Let's see. Which animal is this? Rio, which animal is this?
Giraffe.
Good. Where does the giraffe live, Rio?
In the forest.
Good. In the forest, or maybe one with a little more grass? What's another habitat with more grass in it?
Grassland.
Very good. Can you read these three things? These are the reasons the giraffe lives in the grassland.
Camouflage in the grassland, drink water to drink, trees, food, and shelter.
Very nice. Excellent job, Rio. So we know these ones: tundra, desert, rainforest, prairie. And remember, how does the desert hare, so we have a prairie dog, a bison, how does the desert hare use plants? Who remembers? Tom, do you remember?
To eat.
And?
To make shelter.
And how else? It lives in the desert. What does it need from the plants? Not just food, but also?
Shelter.
Yes, and can you read this one?
To get water.
Very good. Everyone remember, animals in the desert use the plants for water as well. Okay, let's go through these quickly. The blank is very cold. Plants grow close to the ground and animals have thick fur to stay warm. Everyone say the answer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good, everybody. Nice and loud. Tundra. All right, next one. A blank provides all of the living and non-living things an animal needs to survive. Leo.
Our environment provides all of the living things and non-living things an animal needs to survive.
Very good, Leo. Animals need blank, 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 and blank as their basic needs. Thomas.
Animals need water, shelter, food, sunlight.
That would be plants. What about to breathe?
Air.
Very good, air. Great work, Thomas. The blank is very big and full of salt water. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ocean.
Very good, ocean. The blank gets a lot of rain and has many trees and other plants. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very nice, rainforest. All right, plants need sunlight, air, soil, and water. All right, terrariums, can someone read this and answer it? Pony, go ahead, Pony. So read it again. Terrariums are small models of environments and show that blank and blank need each other. Blank and blank need each other.
Plants and animals.
Very good. So terrariums show that plants and animals need each other to survive. You have to have both. A terrarium needs all of the things the plants and animals need to. Riku.
A terrarium shows that plant and animal get what they need from their environment. It needs sunlight, water, air, soil, food, and shelter.
Very good. So, terrariums need plants and animals, and it shows how they need each other. But it also needs everything that plants and animals need to survive. It needs everything for the plants to survive and the animals. A blank gives animals a place to be safe. Say it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Filter. All right, guys, your homework for this weekend. You have the whole weekend to take a quiz. Okay? On Monday, we start something new, so this is your test. You'll be competing against each other so you can see who does the best. All right, but I want you to do your best. Remember, you can take the quiz more than one time. So your answers and how you did will be shared with your TAs, with me, with Ms. Han. So make sure you do your best. And since you have the whole weekend, if you don't do well the first time, you can take it 2 times, you can do it 3 times, okay? So make sure you use your name in English class, and make sure you take it as many times as you need to. Don't forget, after class today, before you get this quiz, make sure you take yesterday's quiz, okay? Make sure you take the quiz from yesterday. All right, I will see you all on Monday. Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye.
Bye.